Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download, install, and use the Perplexity AI app on Windows 11, step by step. If you're into AI tools that can help you search, generate, and discover information instantly, then this video is for you. So, let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 PC. In the search bar at the top, type Perplexity AI. Now, from the results, click on the Perplexity AI app. Next, click on Get or Install to start downloading the app. Wait a few seconds for the installation to complete. Make sure it's the official one published by Perplexity AI Incorporated. You'll see the publisher details right under the title. Once it's installed, click Open to launch the app. You'll notice the clean interface. Now you can search, generate, and discover information instantly using AI. And the best part? You can even use it without logging in. And that's it. You've successfully installed Perplexity AI on Windows 11. Now you can experience the power of instant AI search right on your desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who love AI tools. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.